friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about Gigabyte Korea exclusive GeForce RTX 4070 graphics card. So friend, the Korea edition OC is a custom design equipped with WindForce 3X cooling technology. What should be made for clear though this model is not using the same design as the card called WindForce, and the Korean design does not match any of the existing triple fan models from Gigabyte. And friend, the edition takes the simple black and grey fringe design, adds vibrant Korean characters to the front plate, fan stickers and the back plate, and the only GeForce RTX logo on the side is illuminated by ARGB LEDs, but otherwise there is nothing extraordinary happening while the lightning. And friend, according to the official specification, it will be factory overclocked to 2565 MHz, and that's a 90 MHz boost compared to NVIDIA specification. And it will also use a 3-slot high cooling design and modern 16-pin power connector, and the card measures 30 cm in length, 13 cm in width and 5.76 cm in height. And Gigabyte is bundling dual 8-pin to 16-pin power connector adapter with this card. And friend, if I talk about pricing, there is no doubt that model will be cost more than NVIDIA MSRP $699. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.